Dude, look at this, huh? Man, wow. How hard it's raining, man. Let's see. Oh, look there. Damn. The rain is hitting the garage roof so hard that it looks like smoke. It looks like a waterfall. Wow, look at, damn, man. Hell, look at this rain. And it's actually, I don't know if you've seen this before in your country, but it's actually ice chunks hitting the hard, really hit, man, look at that. Huh? I'm happy, yeah, singing in the rain, yeah, all that stuff. Holy crap. Holy crap, man. Dude. Hope I didn't put somewhere like a computer or something. This is what we call in Norwegian idyll. Idyll?
Idyll?
Yeah.
What is that?
This is Nima.
Hi.
He's been in Norway for like 12 years.
Long
but
time.
we speak English.
I don't know why.
Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna walk across this bridge. I just wanted to capture that long moment. Very nice. I didn't know there was a bridge here. I haven't been here, so this is Sørenga.
Sørenga. On the way to Sørenga.
Okay.
People are dancing salsa there.
Yeah. People are swimming in front of other ducky McScrooge. We're gonna sit over here and do some barbecuing.
These are the most expensive buildings in Oslo, or among those.
For what?
They're the most expensive
I have
buildings.
to live there.
To live, to buy.
To buy and live.
Just doing a random stretch.
Alright, Tess is a new upcoming flexibility fitness star on YouTube.
On YouTube. I'm a YouTuber.
Okay, so what's the new fancy popular stretch? Alright.
This is a classic one. You can do wherever you are. And then
Listen to her Swedish accent, it's gonna make her very successful. Yeah, keep on.
and then you can do the other leg, but on the other side, like behind you, like this.
Yeah.
And then you can stretch like this.
Yeah. I don't know, this is interessant to me because I've never been here. This is actually an artificial island. They actually made this platform. This whole, they just put it on water. I wonder if it's floating. Nah, it feels too steady to float.